Your documents are the tool that you use to communicate with others. So when you're working within a group of people or in any organizations, and when these people want to communicate with others, you will need to collaborate with others to get feedbacks or approved on a document from other members in your groups. In the Microsoft Word, the review tape of the ribbon gives you the tool to identify the changes suggested by other Word users. You also can accept or reject other changes and show the markup within the document. You can also add comments to parts of the document that will appear in the markup version's margin, allowing others to understand suggestions or corrections that need to be implemented. Tracking changes that you made in the document. You can track any changes that you have made to a document. Tracked changes are color-coded with the names of the reviewers and can be viewed in the reviewing pane below or adjacent to the document. Reviewer can also add comments to which the original author or any other person with permission to edit the document can respond. So now, let's see the video.
To track changes in your document, please follow the following steps. First, click the review tabs of the ribbon. Click Track Changes. Click Reviewing pane. Click Reviewing pane vertical or Reviewing pane horizontal. The Reviewing pane opens to show changes under the username. Click Track Changes and select Change Tracking Options. You can set options for the various reviewers in the Track Changes option window. Select a word and replace it with another. Changes are reflected in the reviewing pane and in the document. Click New Comment. A comment callout is opened in the margin. You can add a comment for the author or other reviewer.
Accept or reject changes. When a document has gone through a setup review by other users, a user with permission to accept or reject the changes can move through the document and address each comment or changes individually. And then he or she can make a decision on whether to accept or reject each change in the document. So now, let's see the video.
To accept or reject changes in your document, please follow the following steps. First, on the Review tab, to accept a change, click the Accept drop-down arrow. Click Accept and move to Next. To reject a change, click the Reject drop-down arrow. Click Reject and move to Next. You can click Accept All to accept all the changes that have made in once.
Using markup to work with the document. The tracking groups in the Review tab of the ribbon let you see various versions of the document. Final show markup, final, original show markup, and original. You can change the view of the document to hide or show the markup and display the final or original version of the document. So now, let's see the video.
To use markup to work with the document, please follow the following steps. First, click the Final Show Markup drop-down arrow. Click Final. The document is displayed without markup. If you click the Show Markup drop-down arrow in the Tracking Groups of the Review tab and click the arrow by Reviewer, you can see a list of the document's reviewer. If you check or uncheck these reviewers' names, you can show or hide their comments and changes. If you need to get back to the version of the document that was first sent out for review without changes, click Final Show Markup and then select Original.